My name is Chad Strunk, and I am a landscaper.
Hi, my name is Josh Storm.
Efren Torres.
Tim Granville.
My name is Ruby Ortiz.
Jamar Hill. I'm a field manager for Strausers Nature's Helpers.
I've actually been wanting to join this company for a long time. I like the outside work, I like the community, I like the environment, and I love the people I work with.
When I had my interview, he actually asked me a question, what do I want to be and how can they assist me become what I want to be? So I like that I can progress and reach my goals here at Strausers as well.
It was the best thing that came to me in my life, been working in this company. And I've been enjoying myself. People are so nice.
You're outside every day. What can you hate about that? You know, you're outside enjoying the weather. I love what I do. Can't complain.
Another reason is if you're the type of person who's dedicated, hardworking, and who loves a challenge to advance to the next level, I would say Strausers.